In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up Siri to only respond to your voice. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Making sure that Siri only responds to your voice is great because it makes sure that no one else can trigger Siri's features here on your iPhone. What you're going to want to do first is open up settings on your iPhone and just simply go up to the very top part and type in Siri just like so to bring up the Siri settings. Select the specific app to bring up this page right here. What you're going to want to do is actually scroll down on this page and look for the section that says talk and type to Siri and go ahead and select it. Go ahead and select Hey Siri, Siri, or Hey Siri, and it's going to pull up a page that says set up Hey Siri. Go ahead and hit continue on this page, and you're going to want to say the following prompts that it asks you to say. So in my case, it's asking me to say, Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. And finally, Hey Siri, play some music. While you're setting up, just make sure that you're speaking loudly and clearly, and do it in a quiet place for the best accuracy. But once the setup is complete, Siri is only going to respond when you say Hey Siri or Siri. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures that only your voice can activate Siri's features. But that's it. You've now trained Siri to recognize only your voice. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.